Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to configure the firewall in Windows 11. Chapter 1. How to configure Firewall Windows 11 enable or disable. To start, click Start, select Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security. After that, click on Windows Security. Then select the option Firewall and Network Protection. In this section, you can choose the desired network. When you access it, disable the switch, Microsoft Defender Firewall. This will disable that network. Now, if you need to revert any changes, in the main menu click on Restore Firewalls to Default. You can see that the control panel opens here. Click on Restore Defaults. Finally, click Yes. This will reset the Windows 11 firewall. Chapter 2. How to configure Firewall Windows 11 activating protection. To start, enter Security in the search. Click on Windows Security. Here, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Then click on the network to edit. After that, check the box, blocks all incoming connections, including those in the list of allowed apps. Another available method is to enter Firewall in the search. Then click on Windows Defender Firewall. Here, click on the option Change Notification Settings. In the window you see, check the boxes block all incoming connections, including those in the list of allowed apps. Then click OK. Chapter 3. How to configure Firewall Windows 11 allowing applications. To start, enter Security in the search. Click on Windows Security. Here, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Then at the bottom, tap Allow an app through Firewall. To make changes, click Change Settings. After this, activate the boxes of the desired applications. Click OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to configure Firewall Windows 11 set default. To start, enter Security in the search. Click on Windows Security. Here, select Firewall and Network Protection. Now at the bottom, click on Restore Firewalls to Default. When the control panel opens, click Restore Defaults. Finally, click Yes. This will reset the Windows 11 firewall to its default values. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.